Hi guys, I hope you are doing great. Okay, today let us dive into the concepts of marketing, right? As I mentioned, that we're going to be getting some ideas from the book written by Kotler Philip, and the book is called Marketing Insights from A to Z. So I think what is very important is to first define what is marketing, because I really understand that having that definition, it becomes easier for us to grasp some of the concepts that are going to be discussed on this channel, right, regarding marketing. So marketing refers to a process, right, of creating awareness and interest, right, in your services or products, right? So in other words, you are making people aware of your products or your services you offer, and you are sparking an interest in them such that they could come and buy a product, or they could come and consume your services, right? That's marketing basically in simpler terms. So in order for you to do that, to create that awareness and interest in people, we have to understand the target audiences, or the target clients or potential clients, and their preferences. So by understanding that, it becomes easier for you now to create the awareness that is targeted to the exact people that could possibly come and buy your products or come and consume your services, right? So basically, in simpler terms, that's marketing for us. And there is a confusion that is actually within most of the people's minds, that there is much difference between marketing and sales, right? But most of the people, they think marketing is same as sales, or sales is same as marketing. But there is a distinction between the two, and these are two different fields, right? So when you are saying marketing, I said we're creating awareness and sparking interest in people, right, that you're targeting, right, that they could be interested in buying your product or consuming your services, right? So then sales, now we are referring to, in simpler terms, closing the deals. So let me give you an example, right, of an organization, right? That organization has two departments, right? It has the marketing department and it has the sales department. So what the marketing department does is to go out there, create an awareness and sparking interest in people so that they could be aware of your product or services that you offer. Then they could then come and buy your products or consume your services, right? So now the marketing department has created an awareness, right, out there. Then the clients have become so interested in consuming your services or buying your products. Then they come in, right, maybe at your offices, or maybe you have got a shop, whatever you have. Right. Then within the shop, now we have got the salespeople. Now the sales department now becomes active, whereby these salespeople, they welcome the customers, right, that have been attracted by the marketing department. Then they talk to those clients, assessing what they need, closing deals, right, talking to those clients, right. So that is the work of the sales department, right? So the sales department is now, they are much concerned about negotiating with the clients, making sales, or making the client buy the product or consume the service. So basically, that's the distinction in simpler terms, according to what I've understood, right? So getting back into the ideas that have been displayed by Kotler Philip, and I really like his ideas, and his ideas are very applicable when it comes to the field of marketing, right? And I really agree with his most of his ideas. Why? Because he has about 40 plus years in the field of marketing, so he has seen a lot and he has experienced a lot. So, and his ideas, they make sense to me, right, with my little experience in the field of marketing, right? So he emphasized that business, to run smoothly, right, and to be profitable and to grow, it needs marketing. Marketing is very important for any business to thrive, right? So, and marketing is not limited to a department within an organization, which is a mistake that most of the companies do. They just think that marketing is limited to the marketing department, which is very wrong, right? Marketing is for the entire company, right? Let me give you an example. You've got the marketing department, of course, right? But if the employees are not dressing well, are not presentable, and even the company's maybe outgoing letters are not presentable, and the services, your technical team are delivering bad services to the people, everything is a mess. So if the marketing department goes out there and trying to make people or the public aware of your services and the benefits of your products or services, it becomes very difficult for them to attract those clients. Why? Because of your company. So it means marketing, it has to start within your company, and everyone within the company must do marketing. So there is what he called internal marketing, whereby within the organization, marketing starts there. People should be presentable. Everything that you do should be presentable, right, within the organization itself. And even the top management must also be aware of marketing, and also they must understand what marketing is, because even if you present an idea as maybe marketing officer to them, they must understand, and also they must have knowledge in order for them to make a decision that this idea is good, let's implement it, right? So these are some of his ideas that he has been making. So basically that's all about marketing, right? And there is a statement that I really love, that marketing to him is company's customer manufacturing department. So marketing manufactures clients, because it's the department that attracts clients to come to offices, right? So if clients are not coming to office, it means the marketing department is not active. So the marketing department must bring clients or customers into your offices so that the salespeople could have work to do, right? So basically that's some of the ideas concerning marketing and why it is important, and the distinction between marketing and sales. So basically that's the idea that has been displayed here by Kotler Philip, and this is very, very applicable. So thank you so much. See you in the next video, whereby we'll be exploring as well other ideas he has been working on during the years in the field of marketing.